congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have any idea how many children appeared from your state?
Ma'am, around 495 students appeared in this exam from Uttar Pradesh, and out of them, 90 students got qualified in a written exam.
So out of those 9 children, competition is tough.
Yes, ma'am. Competition is very tough.
So what? Tell me something about your journey.
From starting 3 years ago, I came to know about RMC. Then I joined Sukhoi Academy 1.5 years ago. From that time, I am inspired about to join RMC because many students from Sukhoi Academy got selected for RMC. I make them my motivation and I prepared for that, and in my third attempt I got qualified.
So out of these children, how many children will be selected?
There are 3 students who got selected.
3 children will be selected. Yes, from your state. It's a big state, so 3 children will be selected. If in case you are not selected, then?
If I am not selected, I will prepare for Sainik School 9th, RMS 9th.
So tell me about your family background.
I am a middle class. I belong to middle class family. There are 6 members in my family: grandparents, parents, and sibling, and me.
So no one is there in your family who is working in army or navy or defense?
There is no one in my family who will.
Then who motivated you? Who told you about this army?
Myself motivated me to join RMC and army, because my ultimate aim is to become an army officer.
So tell me about the place. Tell me about your native place.
My native place is Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh.
What is it famous for?
It is famous for sugarcane production.
Okay, Sambhav. So it was your last chance.
Yes, sir. It is my last chance.
An exam. So you failed in first 2 attempts.
Yes, sir.
So how you kept yourself motivated after failing 2 attempts?
I kept motivating myself by thinking that I will crack in third attempt. I will do it. I will do it. I will do it.
Okay, then you have done this. So you are from Bijnor.
Yes, sir. I am from Bijnor.
Bijnor. What's the population of that place?
Yes.
Of the district.
It is 36,83,000 populated.
And any river in Bijnor?
Ganga flows from Bijnor.
From Bijnor?
From Bijnor.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing kabaddi and reading books.
Reading books. So what kind of books do you read?
Non-fictional books.
Non-fiction books. Good. It sounds very good. So non-fiction books, what kind of books? Means history,
Motivational books.
motivational books. And this is the last book you had?
I have read Mindset.
Mindset. Author of this book?
Dr. Carl Lois Drake.
And tell me 1-2 line about that book. Why this book is so special and why one should read this?
This book motivates us to learn from failures.
Okay, and you are example of that. Okay, tell me about the machinery of election in India. How that mechanism of election work?
The chief election commissioner is the head of elections in India. There are 3 types of election: central election, state election, and then village gram panchayat election.
Gram Panchayat election. So, is the Election Commission of India conduct Gram Panchayat election?
No, sir. Gram panchayat election are मतलब the state election commissioner.
State election commission. So you are from Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
So who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, the governor of Uttar Pradesh is Anandiben Patel.
Anandiben Patel. Which state does she belong?
She belongs to Gujarat.
So before becoming governor, on which post was Anandi Patel?
She was the first female to become president of India. Sorry. She was the governor of Gujarat.
Prime Minister, or Chief Minister of Gujarat. Sorry for that. I beg your pardon. And last question. Do you think that the condition of women in India in last 50 years or in last 2 or 3 decades means condition is deteriorated or condition is rather getting better?
The condition of women is improved in last 50 years because that time people did not let women to study, but now people are aware, become aware, and they are giving girls to chance to prove themselves. This time they are the two wheels, or they are the one wheel of a car.
And what's the sex ratio of Uttar Pradesh?
The sex ratio of Uttar Pradesh is 922 at per 1,000 men.
Do you think it is good?
It is good, but we have to improve it more.
And what's the national average?
It is around 916.
916, 940.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so
So now girls are also allowed to take this exam of RIMC and NDA. So what is your take on this matter?
It is good for girls because because earlier women are people thinks that women cannot be our boss, but if women have qualities, then they should be our boss. So it is good for women and also for men who thinks
Is
that.
this in any way going to improve the condition of our country?
Yes, it is going to improve our condition of our country because women also played a vital role in this society. So it will improve the condition of our country.
How would you? What would be your reaction if a girl or a lady becomes your boss?
If she had qualities, then she should be my boss. It is good for.
That male ego will not come.
No, there
So
is no male ego.
what message do you want to give to those male ego people who think that still India is a male-dominated society? Do you think any empowerment is required on the part of men also?
Yes, the only message is that if anyone has qualities, then he should be our leader, or anyone has leader qualities, then he should be our, or she should be our boss.
So what do you think about farmers' agitation?
Farmers agitation is a big problem these days because the farmers are hanging them. They are not getting. They are going in loss. So the government should do something to improve the condition.